Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about a powerful tool used in ethical hacking, the Responder tool. Responder is used to capture Windows credentials from a local network using something called LLMNR and NetBIOS poisoning. Don't worry if that sounds complex. I'll explain everything step by step. What is Responder? Responder is a tool pre-installed in Kali Linux. It's mostly used in local network attacks to capture NTLMv2 hashes from Windows machines. These hashes can then be cracked using tools like Hashcat or John the Ripper. Section 2. When and why is Responder used? In a real-world pen test, if you're on the same LAN as a target, Responder can help you sniff out usernames and password hashes automatically when the target device tries to resolve unknown names. Legal warning. This video is for educational purposes only. Only use this in a lab environment or on networks you have permission to test. Never use this on public or school networks. All right, now let's open our Kali Linux terminal and start Responder. You can also access the tool from the Kali Linux menu. As you can see, there are a lot of options within the tool menu. You can use these options to run the tool according to your needs. To run Responder in your terminal, type this command, sudo responder-i @0. Here I stands for the interface. Replace @0 with your actual interface name. You can check it by typing IPA. Now Responder is listening. If any Windows machine in the network tries to resolve a non-existent hostname, Responder will respond and trick it into sending credentials. Now if we run the dialog run box and type this non-existent hostname, /fake share /docs, the tool will start responding to the non-existent hostname and will try to capture Windows credentials. As you can see, a Windows security box will appear and will ask for the username and password for the account. And now, if we enter the username and password, the tool will capture the Windows credentials, and now we can use this captured hash and crack it within a tool called Hashcat. Responder can mimic services to collect credentials. To configure which services are enabled, edit sudo nano /etc /responder/responder.conf. For example, SMB equals on HTTP equals on FTP equals off LDAP equals on. Captured hashes go to /user /share /responder/load. To view the capture hashes, type this command in your terminal. cd /user /share /responder/logs. You'll find responder-session.log ntlmv2hash.txt. To view the log file, type this command cat responder-session.log and it will show the output on your terminal. Conclusion. And that's how you use Responder to capture credentials on a local network. Remember, tools like this are powerful, but must be used responsibly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.